Welcome back everyone to another fast meal prep hack. So in today's episode I'm going to show you how to do a high protein Chinese vegan food hack. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, one of the things you want to get is the California blend, alright, of vegetables. Now you can get this at any local grocery store. The one I have is from Publix. Also, the next thing you want to get is this one from No Evil Foods. This is called the Comrade Cluck, okay? 100% vegan, extremely high in protein, one of my favorite products that I like to get. And then the last thing is this. Frozen vegetable fried rice from Trader Joe's, okay? I don't know anyone that actually makes frozen fried rice like the Trader Joe's version. That's the best thing about this one. If we look in the macros, the fat is extremely low, okay? So this is why you want to get this one from Trader Joe's, because other fried rice is extremely high in fat. To start off with the prep, first thing we're going to use is an air fryer, okay? And we're just going to use the basket. We're going to use this right here. You can get this on Amazon. What this does is it actually makes this like it's fried, like it makes your food fried without any oil, okay? It's a great investment, especially if you want to do like what I'm about to do today, or French fries and other things that require some type of frying. You can use the air fryer as an alternative to really reduce a lot of fat and processed oils, okay? So what I'm going to do is go ahead and open this up. Let me grab a knife, and we're going to also get a measuring spoon as well. And we're just going to make one serving today. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my trusty scale and also measuring cups, okay? So to do this, I've already have some notes here. We're going to do about, or my fence pal right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to do about 159 grams of fried rice. So we're going to grab a bowl and go ahead and measure this out. Alright, so this is going to be for one serving. Alright, say 159. We're about close enough. Throw it in here. Alright, and then next thing we're going to do is about 2.5 cups of the mixed vegetables, okay? So we're going to go ahead and do that. This one. Two and a half, all right? Now if you can see, it looks just like this, all right? And the only thing I'm going to do is just this. Throw it in there, put it on 15 minutes, all right, on high heat. Now, some of the best things about this this mix is that when it comes to the rice, you're getting a lot of amino acids, plus it has tons of mixed vegetables already in here. The same thing with this, it has a lot of broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots, all right? Very high in nutrients. So you can see it says right here, you're getting tons of calcium, tons of potassium, which is a great amino acid that actually helps put on a lot of plant-based muscle, okay? So you definitely want to do that. And with the broccoli is actually great for your lungs as well. It's good lung health, plus a lot of vitamin C when it comes to your immune system, and vitamin A when it comes to your skin, okay? Now, we're going to go ahead and move over here to the stove. We're going to put this on some medium heat. As you can see, I already have this pan is already lightly coated. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Now the cool thing about their boxes, look at this. It tells you like some cool things like little tips: save water, eat plant meat, and then it tells you like how much water you actually save by going 100% plant-based, okay? So according to this, just kind of skimming through this, it says about 1,100 gallons you'll save of water when you go more towards a plant-based diet. That's just a quick tip to know. So what we want to do is go ahead and open this up. And when it comes to this, all right, this is the actual meat right here. And this is like wheat gluten, all right? It's pretty much made from wheat gluten. If I look in the back, wheat and soy, all right? which is very high in protein, okay? They're great sources of protein. So we're gonna go ahead and put in our, according to my fitness pal, about 5 ounces, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead, zero it out, convert it into ounces, all right? And we're gonna break this into pieces, okay? Until it says 5. All right, well, a little bit more. All right, that's about 5, all right? I kind of estimated through. And what we're going to do is go ahead and throw that in there, okay? Just like that, with the lightly coat. Now, one of the last ingredients I'm going to add is this right here. This is the Island Soyaki sauce, okay? This is really good. It already has garlic in it and it has like a sweet flavor. We're going to put about 2 tablespoons into that. So we're going to go ahead, grab our measuring cup or measuring spoon, and we're going to go ahead and add this in here. All right. And we're just going to kind of like stir it up with a tiny bit, but it has to cook. All right. Now, when it comes to these ingredients, especially like I said with this, it's extremely high in protein. Getting most of your protein from here, but then there's also a lot of protein in the vegetables and also the rice as well. Now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and put my put everything away, clean up the kitchen. And then once everything is done, because everything should take about at least 10 to 15 minutes for everything to be complete overall, and then we'll continue the video. All right, so we're about 6 minutes in with this cooking, and if you come close, see how the sauce is like kind of bubbling up and it's getting all sticky? This is what you want, and you want to keep stirring it up so this sauce can be like kind of burnt, fried. I don't even know how you can really call that, but you want it to look like this. Yeah, and this looks very similar, like you know, like when you're in the mall with like the teriyaki chicken samples. It looks just the same, right? So that's what we're doing here. We're trying to give that similar Chinese mall chicken look, right, and taste as well. Now it's getting a little burnt, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off and just finish it out like this, because we don't want the actual meal to get burned, okay? But now, if we come here to the air fryer, we want to go ahead and mix this up just a tiny bit, because the thing about the air fryer with the vegetables and the rice is that it's going to make it more dried and hard feeling, okay? Now we're going to come back here and just stir it up some more, and we're going to go ahead and set our plate, because this is getting looks like it's getting ready. Perfect. What's in here? Just like that. Let's get something to try it out. Tell you the truth, I think this literally just took 6 minutes. Alright, so now what we're going to do is just take another tablespoon and we're just going to pour this on top. Alright, there you go. Alright guys, so this is my high protein vegan Chinese food hack. As y'all can see, it didn't even take me that long. I just bought the ingredients, warmed it up, put this on the stove, cooked that really fast, and then all I had to do to keep track of everything, I I use my Fitness Pound. All right, this is the application that I use to keep track of all my nutrients. All right, as y'all can see. And then the only thing I'm going to add in is the Soyaki sauce and make it like 3 tablespoons. And that's it. All right, so and then it tells me all my nutrients right here of what I ate. So with that said, this is my high protein vegan Chinese food hack. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all liked everything that you saw today, please comment down below, give me some love, and share the video as well. With that said, thank you for watching. Talk to y'all soon.